Indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Eskom is losing 30 billion rands on this category of people that I'm referring to.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosiyen Suramokupa usememezele umnqamula juqu wamhla zi-13 kuZibandlela ukuze labo abasebenzisa ugesi ngokungemthetho baxazulule inkinga zabo ne-Eskom.
Silisebe lezemfundo siyavuya into bana side safikelela kwelinqanabo apho amaphepha matric exams abhaliwe onke.
Umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo uthi ugculisekile ngendlela okusingathwe ngayo ivivinyo zokuphela konyaka igamatikuletsheni zalonyaka.
It's our constitutional right to vote firstly, and yes, it's make an effort or otherwise keep quiet, you know.
Abavoti abangaphezulu kwesigidi nezinkulungwane ezingamakhulu amane bebephume ngobuningi kwelaseNamibia njengoba leli yazwe lisingethe ukhetho likazwelonke namhlanje. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zakusihlo enizethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi njengenjwayelo ke asivele sinabe saphosa amaseko sikhwele phezulu kwazo. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi nezamandla uDokotela uHosiyen Suramokupa uthi labo abebesebenzisa ugesi ngokungemthetho banesikhathi kuze kube umhla zi-13 kwezokwethwasa ukuthi balungise amacala abo ne-Eskom.
Diswa uthi abo bathenga ngokungekho mthethweni umbane banikwe de kube ngomhla wa-13 kuDisemba ukuba bathobele umthetho. Esaleka ngelithi kufuneka baqale bathenge umbane phambi kokuba bancedwe kwaye kulindeleke ukuba bahlawule imali yokonakaliswa kwebhokisi yombane kwakunye neendleko zokuyifakela.
Eskom alone has been losing per month 2.5 billion rands. If you had to compute that over a period of a year, Eskom is losing 30 billion rands on this category of people that I'm referring to. So now that the number is gone to 1.7 million people, if they don't get to present themselves, Eskom will be losing about 2 billion rands per month, and that number will go of course to 24 billion rands per annum.
Uthi lamanani awaquki ilahleko yomasipala engaphinda-phindana xa kuthelekiswa nale. Emva koko umphathiswa no-Eskom baphekwe besophulwa ngamalungu ekomiti yombane namandla ngalombandela.
The reality is that this is just once again a failure of Eskom. So every failure of Eskom, it is usually the consumer that gets to suffer. And one of the failures is that you had 30 years to do this.
Uthi awona maxhoba okufumana umbane ngokungekho mthethweni ngabo bawuhlawulelayo. Dingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlament eKapa.
Iningi labantu elikhulume ne-SABC lithi kwehlwe umthwalo emahlombalo ngesimemezelo sokuhlehliswa komnqamula juqu wokulungisa kwalezi igubhu abangasakhumbuli nokuthi konje ugesi bagcina nini ukufaka kuzo.
Right.
Niyabona ngoDisemba ntobe senilungisile lenkinga zenu.
Yeah, maybe. Angithi uyositshela kanjalo. Sifanele ukuthi silandele umthetho wakhe.
Kunabathile kabathi akime kancane indaba yokunaka ugesi kulenyanga ezayo. Bona basafuna ukuzwa ubumnandi balenyanga ezayo. Indaba yezigubhu zogesi bafisa ukuyibona ngonyaka ozayo.
Inyanga incane until December, end of December. Mfethu solibili boqo manje mfethu indaba sekanje. Hayi le ayisekho mfethu solibili
boqo nazo kodwa ugesi anifuni ukukhona.
Mfethu mangabona manje it's a festive season. Yeah, and le nto angeke sivimbi. The timing was wrong.
Kwabanye ububona nje ukuthi kube bayakwazi ukuyifikela amathupha ku-Eskom beyofika qathatha bebeyochitheka bugayiwe bebefisa ukumbamba ngezandla. Nensolaboya ke bese ithola ithuba lokwelelesa abantu kulayini njengoba kube nogogo the kunomuntu othe akamfakela imali ku-account yakhe lowo muntu uzomlungisela isigubhu. Intombi endala kuthema sekukhulunywa ngemali yasola ukuthi engathi izokwenziwa isilo sengubo izophanjwa emini kwaBha yabaleka yazephula yaphunyuka kanjalo ogibeni obulucushwe inswelaboya ebefuna ukumgcweleza. Igama lami nguCalvin okwadludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Owayengumengameli wamajaji osachithwa esikhundleni uDokotela uJohn Hlophe uthi azikho izinqumo ayoyisola ngazo ngesikhathi sakhe esengumengameli wabehluleli eWestern Cape. uDokotela uHlophe usanda kwethula ke incwadi equkethe okuningi echaza ngempilo yakhe emkhakheni wezomthetho esihloko sithi Defying the Gallows.
I do not regret anything that I have done. If you ask me, is there anything that I would have done differently, the answer is no.
Ijaji uHlophe owake wabonakala njengoyoba nekusasa eliqhakazile kwezomthetho ngezikhathi zakhe efika kulomkhakha uhambele idibanga kwaze kwaba wengamela izikhundla eziphakeme kwezomthetho ezinkantolo. Namhlanje uselahlekelwe okuningi kakhulu kulomkhakha wezomthetho selokho achithwe esikhundleni njengomengameli wamajaji eWestern Cape. Le ncwadi egeqa amagula ngempilo yakhe ichaza nangokuyikho kwamdonsela amanzi ngomsele ngokuthi azachithwe esikhundleni njengomengameli wabehluleli eWestern Cape.
Things stand with respect when the racism report was made public. I was then accused, I was told I'm unstable, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm mad.
uHlophe ukholelwa ukuthi uxoshwa kwakhe esikhundleni kwabe kunesandla sokuxambukela ngokwezombusazwe. Usengene wagamanxa kwezombusazwe njengoba kunguye ohola iMK Party eParliament.
When President Zuma approached me, it was only after I was impeached and when it became clear that he could not go back to Parliament. The MK Party has 58 MPs. It had to be led by someone. And President Zuma, I've asked him many times, why did you pick on me? He said, you are one person that the whole world knows. You were treated unfairly. You never did anything wrong on the judiciary. When he mentioned my name, he knew that there would be the support.
uDokotela Hlophe utsho kwamanje usegxile kakhulu ezifundweni kanye nakwezombusazwe njengoba kunguye iphini lomholi weqembu iMK Party.
Ilungu eliphezulu eqenjini umkhonto wesizwe uAdvocate Dalimpofu uthi ngeke iqembu libe semdonsiswaneni namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ngoba lokho kuphambene nomthetho sisekelo wayo iMK Party. Lokhu ke kuzemva kokuthi uJulius Malema oholi EFF eveze ukuthi iMK Party izitha zabo ezinkulu.
Education doesn't come from me. It comes from the MK Constitution. The MK Constitution says that we should refrain from being involved in insults and cheap politicking and those kinds of theatrics, even when provoked. So it's something that the drafters of that Constitution foresaw before it even happened. So that's the wisdom of the people who drafted that Constitution. And that's why we're saying, so if and when provocation comes, so people were saying to me, why don't you respond? And I said, guys, I've only been here for 3 weeks. You want me to be fired for breaching the Constitution?
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube uthi ivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni zakulonyaka zibe impumelelo kanti ukumaka kuzoqala mhla lulunye kwezokwethwasa.
Bangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-980 abafundi bakamatikuletsheni ababhale izivivinyo kulonyaka. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube uthi nakuba kube nezingqinamba kwezinye izindawo kepha umnyango ucilisekile ngezivivinyo zalonyaka.
Silisebe lezemfundo siyavuya into bana side safikelela kwelinqanabo apho amaphepha matric exams abhaliwe onke. Sayazi into bamaphepha okugqibela ayabhalwa namhlanje. Siyavuya into bana isystem yakwazi into bana iqinisekise into babantwana bonke bayabhala. We had over 700,000 e-candidates as full time, over 150,000 e-candidates as part time. Bonke baphele bebhala.
Ungqongqoshe uGwahube uthi abafundi abangakwazanga ukubhala izivivinyo bazonikezwa ithuba lokubhala.
So akho mntana apha eMzantsi Afrika akonye mfundi ongazukwazi ukubhala exam noba ngaba bekukhona ezo interruptions siye sakwazi uzilungisa. Ukubheka phambili ngoku siyajonga kwi-marking siyayazi into bana sine-markers eziyi-50,000 apha eMzantsi Afrika ezizabe zimakisha amaphepha ethu. Iyaqala ke i-marking ngomso, so namhlanje iziscript ziyasuka kwi-exam centers ziyahamba ziyakhona kwi-marking center.
Ukuthi imiphumela kamatikuletsheni ikhishwe mhla ziyi-13 kuMasingana ngonyaka ozayo.
Izakhamuzi zaseNamibia ebeyivota namhlanje zithi zinethemba lokuthi uhulumeni omusha uzobeka eqhulwini izinselele ezibhekene nazo phakathi kwazo kubalwa ukungabibikho kwemisebenzi.
Izakhamuzi zaseNamibia ziphume ngobuningi ziyovota.
It's our constitutional right to vote firstly, and yes, it's make an effort or otherwise keep quiet, you know.
It's very important as young people especially because you are given that power to change your future and it's time to make those changes, vote for change.
Izikhungo zokuvota zivulwe ngesikhathi esifanele kanti nokuvota kuhamba kahle. Iphini likaMengameli waseNamibia eliphinde ligaqele isikhundla sobumengameli eqendini SWAPO lithi linethemba lokuthi leli qembu lizodla umhlanganiso.
Really expecting good results and then for us to move forward in advancing what we have committed to the people of Namibia.
Omunye wabaholi ogaqele isikhundla naye unethemba elifanayo.
Absolutely delighted I was able to exercise my democratic right and cast my vote at the very school that I started my childhood schooling at grade 3, and it was absolutely great. And I felt so happy that so many people died and sacrificed for us to be able to have this opportunity to vote.
Bangaphezulu kwesigidi nezinkulungwane ezingamakhulu amane abantu ababhalisele ukuvota kulolu khetho.
Mbukeli okwamanje ke sithatha iqhu ezitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
we need to take care of the women and the children in our country, and we've got a pivotal role as the taxi industry.
Abesilisa abavela kuhulumeni naseyinhlanganweni eziyimele basingathe imashi yokuphikisana nesihlava sodlamo loyamene nobulili eFree State njengoba kuqhubeka umkhankaso weyinsuku eziyi-16 wokulwana lesihlava. Sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosien Suramogopa usememezele umnqamla juqu wamhla ziyi-13 kuZibandlela ukuze labo abasebenzisa ugesi ngokungemthetho baxazulule inkinga zabo neEskom. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus ungena kuzo nje uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola. Owayengumengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki uthi elakuleli kufanele liqhubeke nezinhlelo zamazwe angaphansi kwe-G20 ukugqugquzela inguquko ezingxoxweni.
Lenkomfa iququzelelwa yiThabo Mbeki Foundation ibambisene neObserver Research Foundation ifuna ukuqwalasela imingeni ejongene namazwe asahlumayo aphansi kwamazwe e-G20. Umbeki uthi uMzantsi Afrika unoxanduva olukhulu lokukhokela lamazwe e-G20.
As South Africa takes over the presidency of the G20 following all these other countries of the South, there must be a message from us here, which says in continuation of what has been happening in the terms of this G20 meetings, this is what we want to achieve, this is what the G20, the Global South wants to achieve, and this is how it should be done.
Usomlomo waseParlamente uThoko Didiza uthi imfazwe zamanye amazwe zichaphazela lamazwe asahlumayo.
The year 2024 has represented us with numerous challenges from geopolitical conflicts affecting supply chains of the pressing need for sustainable development amidst climate change.
Kusenjalo kulindeleke kuba usekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile awuyise intetho kule nkomfa ngoLwesine. Kwiindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eSomerset West.
Abesilisa abavela kuhulumeni naseyinhlanganweni eziyimele basingathe imashi yokuphikisana nesihlava sodlamo loyamene nobulili eFree State.
Aphumele eshashalazini amadoda amashela emgwaqweni yaseBloemfontein elwa nodlame oliyamene nobulili. Lamadoda samile ekutheni abambe iqhaza elibalekile kulweni nokuhlukunyezwa nokubulawa kwabesifazane.
We need to take care of the women and the children in our country, and we've got a pivotal role as the taxi industry to champion the interest and the protection of women and children in our country and in our industry.
Kuke kwanda izigameko zamacala okuhlukunyezwa kwabesifazane eFree State okubalwa ukuthunjwa, ukushaywa kanye nokubulala.
This one is different because you'll remember that during the opening of Parliament just after elections, Premier Makwin Letsoro Matai committed to the Free Staters that this time around we want to see men in the forefront of this fight against non-violence against women and children.
Lesi sinyathelo samkelwe kakhulu ngabesifazane.
We are very appreciative of the men that are here that are showing us support.
Uhulumeni wase Free State uhlose ukuthi abanye abesilisa kwezinye izifundo eminyangweni balwe nalolu dlame olubhekiswe kwabesimame.
Kube nokuqophisana ngamazwi ngesikhathi amaphoyisa enza izethulo ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele amaphoyisa mayelana nezibalo zobugebengu zesigamu sesibili sonyaka.
Ingxenye yekomiti lamaphoyisa anikezwe ithuba lokucubungula izibalo zobugebengu zangoNtulikazi kuya kuMandulo wakulonyaka.
We have made some progress, and I think it's encouraging to see that. I think it's important that we don't generalize in saying that it's improved everywhere, because we've seen that there are drops in certain areas and then there are quite major increases in certain others. So it's important that we see it in balance and that we see them for what they are. South Africa still faces war-like crime statistics.
Ngqongqoshe amaphoyisa wasenza umchunu uthi yena kanye nobuholi bamaphoyisa babe nezingxoxo ngokuthi bangayitshengisa kanjani iNingizimu Afrika ukuthi bazimisele ngokuqeda ubugebengu.
Saying we're pleased with or excited with the stats. All we're saying is that in a number of crimes it's showing decline, and let's build from there.
Amabhizinisi nalo beluseqhulwini. Umchunu ukhumbuze amalungu ePhalamende ukuthi ubugebengu kulelizwe kumele kubhekwe ngamanye amehlo.
We're fighting crime in the context of South Africa, real South Africa. Now, when the country is such that at the moment many people are finding it difficult to earn a living in a lawful manner, they are going to resort to this and that.
Isizofaka umfutho omkhulu ekulwisaneni nokuqolwa kwamabhizinisi.
Imeya yaseThekwini uCyril Xaba uthi leli dolobha selikulungela ukwamukela ivakashi engaphezulu kwesigidi ngamaholidi kaZibandlela.
Ngamanye amadolobha aba nezivakashi eziningi ngesikhathi samaholide, kepha kuleminyaka embalwa edlule leli dolobha belibhekene nenkinga yengqalasizinda yokuncebeleka ekubalwa kuyo izindawo zokubhukuda ama-swimming pool. Namhlanje ke iziphathimandla zedolobha bezihlola lengqalasizinda.
Siqinisekisile nendawo zokuphepha amaphoyisa khona azobe seyindaweni zonke la zongcebeleka la kutholakala khona abantu, amanye imoto esizifakile zisezingeni eliphezulu, amanye amaphoyisa azobe gijima ngamahashi.
Kusenjalo mane amabhishi avaliwe ngenxa yokungaphephi kwamanzi awo.
It's a precautionary stance that we are taking, and very soon I will be reporting to the public that they are back on operation. But I must indicate that all the popular beaches are really open for swimming.
Izivakashi zithi sezisilungele ke isikhathi samaholide, kepha ziphakamise ukuthi kuqiniswe ezokuphepha.
If they don't take control of the alcohol abuse on the beachfront, there's a huge problem.
We are expecting safety to be safe around and to feel welcome around here.
Iziphathimandla zithi uyaqhubeka umsebenzi wokuqinisekisa ukuthi amabhishi edolobha ango-23 ayasebenza wonke ngesikhathi samaholide. NgeuSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu nomadlamini.
kuzo zonke indawo ethamleni kuze emakhaya sinibingile sinamukele nanku umhlahlo wesimo sezulu sakusihlwa njalo nakusasa kulindeleke ihlambi zemvula enamandla kakhulu kusukela esifundazweni esilapha yake eLimpopo kohlele empumalanga kanjalo nasesifundazweni esikwaZulu Natal imoya izobe inamandla kakhulu ke ngasogwini kanti ihlambi zemvula ke amathuba amahle kakhulu alindelekile ke ogwini oluseningizimu yazwe ukela lapha eEastern Cape imoya izobe helezi ipholile maphakathi nezwe kanti ke kusasa ke le ihlambi zemvula ezithanda ubana amandla zilindelekile khona lapha esifundazweni esise Eastern Cape kanti nalapha yakwaZulu Natal kusukela nje engxini ezilapha esifundazweni esisempumalanga kanti bethe nje qwaqwa ngamafuku kwezinye ingxenye linemoya namandla kakhulu ke ngasogwini kulindeleke imvula enamandla kakhulu ehambisana nokuduma kwezulu okungase kube nobungozi okungadala ngisho ikhukhula esifundazweni esikwaZulu Natal nasifundazweni esilapha empumalanga kanti ke ngasempumalanga yezwe esifundazweni Eastern Cape kulindeleke amagaga solwandle awubukhulu ngamamitha ayisithupha ke kulezi ngxenye ke sibheka amazinga okushisa ke aphansi kulindeleke ukuthi libande kakhulu ke esifundazweni eseFreystata eBloemfontein ngo7 degrees Celsius kanti ke ukusukela lapha eGauteng kusukela eTshwane ukela esifundazweni eseLimpopo lizobe lifudumele izulu ngo14 degrees Celsius kwaZulu Natal ke engxenye eyiphakeme lizobe lithe nje ukuphola lapha yake eLadysmith kwehlele njalo ePietermaritzburg kanti ke ezinye ingxenye ezilapha eMpumalanga Koloni ingxenye eyiphakeme lizobe lipholile izulu libande kakhulu ke eSutherland kanti ke kusasa ke kulindeleke ukuthi lifudumale lizishise kakhulu ngasogwini olukwaZulu Natal nasifundazweni esiseLimpopo kwezinye ingxenye esentshonalanga lizobe lithe nje ukufudumala izulu singakho sanamhlanje sifikele sezulu makuzibe ngokuzayo ayixabene
Mbukeli usali kahle.